Hey guys, we are at Diamond Lake Resort and this place is popping. There are so many people here and this place is so big. It's going to take all day to get through this place. It's just pretty neat.
We have special guest Nina.
What you doing? Say hi. Hello everybody. What you doing?
Hello.
Everyone's out camping. It's a beautiful day today. That's what we need right there. Me and Nessie and Name Pep are way back there on that bumper.
Hello there.
We do not have very many tractors out at all.
Do they usually have more than this? Or is
Yeah.
this about normal?
No, this is a bad year, like we were just now talking. This year's all messed up.
I'll be darned.
How many tractors do you guys usually expect? How many tractors do you usually expect to have?
I expect most times it's 50 or 60.
Really?
And right now they don't order. Is it 20?
Do they ever have very many garden tractors?
Yeah. Yep. Sometimes.
Do you guys ever go to Thresherman's in Boonville? No?
I've heard of it.
That's a good show.
I used to have tractor races, you know, with
Yeah.
horses and stuff like that.
Mommy.
Y'all ever go to the Evansville one?
No, this one right here about, and there's one up above town up our John Lampkins up our have it the last of August, 1st of September, last weekend.
Well, I tell you what.
Yeah, it is October.
The Evansville show usually has about 700 and up.
Ooh, that'd be a good show.
That's a good.
It's a really good
But
show, yeah.
The Boonville one at Thresherman's Park is a little bit smaller, but they still have a lot show up, and it is a good show.
I'd like to go to some of these old steam engines. Have you ever been to them?
Yeah, well, that's what it is.
Oh, that what it is?
Yep.
Yeah.
And they have garden tractors, big tractors, whatever.
Well, you're a member.
Plowing, campers, you know, you can camp. Then they actually July 24th, they're having it.
July 24th.
We gotta get going, our batteries are dying.
Yeah, guys, this tractor show is definitely disappointing. From what we hear, it is definitely a lot better, but due to the coronavirus, it has, you know, a lot of people have stayed home, you know, trying to be safe and cautious, but the park itself seems to be really awesome. There's a lot of people driving around in golf carts and camping. There's yard sales. So if you like yard sales, this is the place to be. Fishing, there's plenty of lakes and ponds here. It's pretty big. We've only just been riding around for the first couple of minutes, but and we've already seen quite a few things. But yeah, so far we are liking the park.
Oh, okay. It just looked like it was just come on. Oh, yeah. You don't need to go.
That is so cool.
Mommy.
What would be cool if this was a rumble seat.
Yeah.
That is pretty cool.
Mommy.
That is cool, man.
Mommy, I was showing.
It looks like you can buy the lot or something. Did you see something?
Ordered a pizza from this place right there. Not really sure what it's called.
Oh, well. Yeah, I know that.
Yeah, they're ducks. Can you say duck? And there's our pizza. Mama and Papa.
Let's take a selfie. Oh, that delicious food.
How's the pizza?
Good. Mine is done.
Good. What do you think, baby? It's beautiful. Where's our turn at? It's the parade. I want to get this one. Wait, get her. Please. All the golf carts are in line too.
We just left the park and now we're going home. It was really hot day, guys.
Very hot.
I'll show you what I got. I got this cute dress. And that's how.
Yeah, it's a Matilda dress. How'd you like it? Oh, shit. Oh my gosh, you scared everybody. Eric's over there looking at himself.
Yeah.
About wrecked us. What'd you think about the park?
It was a park.
That's my man.
Yeah.
Man, a few words.
Yeah. He just said the
Yeah, it was. The park itself was beautiful, pretty big, but I was kind of disappointed in the tractor show. Actually, I was disappointed. That's why I went out.
I wanted to go to Boonville Tractor.
The Boonville Tractor Show. Yeah, it's next month. But we liked it so far. It was awesome. We waited forever to get our food, so that was a must.
And last time, our grandpa ordered something like a hamburger and Coke for our
Alright, when we hop off here, Baby Van Winkle is not happy. Alright, see you guys later.